The Magic Book in Willow Creek. In the quiet American town of Willow Creek, there lived a curious 10-year-old boy named Alex. With his blue eyes full of wonder and his messy brown hair falling over his forehead, Alex always searched for adventure in the most unexpected places. One afternoon, after school, Alex wandered into the old town library. The air smelled of ancient wood and forgotten secrets. He ran his fingers across the dusty shelves until something caught his eye, an old book with glowing golden patterns on its cover. It almost felt alive, as if it was calling his name. Slowly, Alex opened the book. The pages shimmered, and suddenly the entire room filled with light. Right before his eyes, a magical glowing doorway appeared. Alex's heart pounded with fear and excitement. Gathering all his courage, he stepped inside. On the other side, Alex found himself in a breathtaking, magical world. The trees sparkled in colors he had never seen before. Fireflies lit the air like tiny stars, and a silver river shimmered under the glowing sky. As Alex wandered deeper, he heard a soft giggle. Out from the bushes jumped a small magical creature, half fox, half rabbit, with golden fur and bright emerald eyes. The creature tilted its head curiously and then smiled. Alex laughed. "Are you my guide?" The creature nodded and hopped toward the sparkling forest. Alex followed eagerly. Together they raced through glowing meadows, chased fireflies, and marveled at a shining castle far in the distance. Everything felt like a dream. Alex's heart was full of joy, but deep inside, he knew this was only the beginning. When he finally returned and closed the book, he noticed words written on the last page. "This story is not over yet." Alex smiled, his eyes shining with excitement, because he knew his greatest adventure was just beginning.